Good morning. How are we? Zombie? You wanting a D-pick for nothing? Huh? Huh? In first 3 times. You want a D-pick? I don't know about that. What even is needed for a D-pick? Where do you get it from? Menonitis, Callisto? And wilderness bosses? Well, that's whew. That's some big bosses to get just for a pickaxe. Maybe do Callisto. Just looking at the melee. Anyway, KBD as well. Yep. See that? Chaos Elemental. Yeah, just wooden bosses, nice. So we're gonna try and finish what we started yesterday. We were kind of struggling. I'm still not quite sure 100% on the math, but you know, maybe we'll get there. How are you today, though, zombie? Chance, hello, reporting for duty. Chance, zombie was wanting a dragon pickaxe, and you're wanting a dragon axe. Who will be first? That's the real question. Who will first get the things that they want? Doing good. Slayer on both accounts. Nice. Alright, so if we switch on over. So, we had done the math for herbs to see if there's any relevance. And we sort of came up with a number around 1.6. It's more or less. There's a few outliers. But I reckon the average here is like 1.6. Got your gifted in Lud's chat. Almost guaranteed, Jesus. Yeah. So now that we know how to calculate the chance 1, chance 99. Where did we know that? So we knew that from here. Chance 1. So with Bush Life starting at 4 and a 99 average of with the bonus at 17.5, we first need to remove the bonus of secateurs. Oh fuck, how do you spell this? I was reading it. Secatiers. And Farming Cave. But that's with Ultra Compost as well, which will give an initial +3. Can you use compost on a bush? You can use compost everywhere, right? Compost only works on allotment, hops, and herbs. Alright. +1 to +3. So when we're working with bushes, it doesn't matter. Doing a subathon, so every sub extends his stream time. When I went to bed, it was at 31 hours left, so he's at 52 now. Been live for a week. What do you mean, been live for a week? He's got to sleep sometime. Yeah, so bushes start 4 at 99, with the bonus at 17. But then 99 average at 17.5 is we take off the Secateurs and Farming Cape, so that's 15. And then 99 average at 15, which is 375%. 375% is 11 out of 15. So the chance 99, 11 out of 15 of 255 is equal to 187. So now that we know the chance 99, we can try and figure out the chance 1. And so the chance 1, we can use this 1.6% average. So the formula is 99 minus start level divided by chance 99 minus chance 1. Right? Which we get from here. So this is 99 minus start level divided by chance 99 minus chance 1. It's kind of weird. So then we can put that into the formula of... So red berries start at 10. And you put in the 187. And then we get the question mark is equal to 1.6. So then rearranging this format, you get to 187 minus 1.6 times by this, and you get your final result out of 255. So 4 berries with 1 and like 6 to save per. So you get an average of like 4 and 4 out of 6. And all this is just calculated. So now if we create a method to do this for us, right? I'll leave that in there. So now let's create a method. So public void public int get chance 99. So you have the start at 4, so the int start lives. Then you have the int average. I got a double average. Average 99. So it's like double average 99 with bonus. So you'd put in 4 and you'd put in 17.5, then it will calculate. And then we have a int real bonus is equal to int math. The hell is that, Chance? Why's that dude got a croc on his head? How do we turn a... How do we turn a percentage into a fraction? Does anyone know? No, you don't know? Because we need to... So for example, this is going to be... percent gain here is going to be 3.75. So how do we turn 3.75 into the 11 out of 15? What's the percent you want turned into a fraction? So, if every... It's hard to explain. So if every roll... So here's how you get this number. So you have bush life starting at 15 with a 99 with 4, and then a 99 average at 15. That means every single time you try to get a... Every single time you harvest... you have a... Like... How do you explain? So, if you normally start at 4 and you get an average of 15, that's a 375% increase. So you times that by 3, it's 12. And then the 75% is 3, so 12 plus 3. Percent change? It's hard to explain. Because it's not just like a direct convert to a fraction. I had to do this like myself. The way I did this one was I just kept timesing it by 2. So the way you do it right is you have 1 at 375. And then you go 2 at 750. But this is still... This here's still not a nice number. For some reason. And then I doubled it again. 4 at... I explained it yesterday when I did this one. And then you take away the 2 zeros. And you get 4 out of 15. Then you minus the 4 from the 15, essentially. So we could brute force it. There's probably a better way. So we get the percentage and keep doubling till it can divide by 100. And then that'll get our fraction. So we need... Or is 11 out of 15 just the same as... Ah, never mind. It's the same as, we're good. So, 4 divided by 15 is equal to our, it's equal to the chance of 1 minus 4 divided by 15. Which is, it's pretty simple. So that equals our 11 out of 15. There we go. That's how you do it. Fucking... I don't know why I'm trying to do it the hard way there. So we have a percent gain. No, it's not percent gain, it's just times gain. The real bonus divided by the start lives. It was meant to be the other way around. So it's start lives minus divided by real bonus, right? The start lives is 4, and then the real bonus is 15. And then if we do 1 minus... Oh, hello. Cool. So that gets our fraction. And then we times that by 255, so chance 99 is equal to math.ceil. We'll just round it. Make that to an int. So the fraction times by 255. So let's go test this. So that should return that should return 185, 187. Yes, it does. Nice. Okay. So then we need to get chance 1, and we require int start level and the chance 99. So then we use this formula, which is start level. No, chance 99, and this is start level. Ooh. So we have a start level of 10 and a chance 99. And that should return 45. Boom. Let's just farming. Let's just chuck this all in somewhere else. Just to keep track of it. And then now so I now need to put all these numbers in. So we know the chance 99. So then we want the red berry chance. So that starts at level 10. Then we want Adava. That starts at 22. $36, 48. $59. And then 70. I run the test, and we should get a nice even distribution. So this is what we got back out. So this is chance 99. That is red berry. So then we can go back into here, go across, and say 45 out of 187. We can say 64 out of 187. We can say 86 out of 187. $105 or 187. 123. 7. And finally 141 out of 187. So that should spread for bushes. So that means for farming patch, we need the bush to be 4-4. We don't do min lives. So we want herbs and what did we just do? Bush. And that'll use the same stuff that it did on the other one and give us our bonus. Hog. Okay. Now we just need to write the same for the other plants. Where are we? Alright, which one should we work on next? We got allotments, hops. Wait, limpworts have their own one? The limpwort root? Where do you plant limpwort seeds? Flower patch. What does our flower say? 1 to 3. So most will yield 1 when picked, but woad leaves and limpwort roots will yield 3. Which we already have. But then the limpworts scale with your level? Where's that from? Oh, it needs to be a random. No, not -1. Okay, cool. That'll be fixed. MineScape effect, MineScape API effect. Okay, so now let's do... Hello, import. Import. That'll allow you to boost farming into it. Oh. Alright, hops. See, let's do hops next. Alright, so hops give 30 to 40. This is all I did. So hops will start at what do hops start at? Between 3 and 35. Wait, what? 65 with ultra compost. There's no citation on that, so that could just be players' general. I'm just gonna say 35. Right, so then we go to hops. This is start level barley, level 3. Level 4. Level 8. 13. 16. 21. And 28. Oh, and let me just print all these out. Boom. This is the result. Oh damn, that's like almost... I mean, yeah, if it's starting with 3. But you can boost hops, right? So does the start lives include... Yeah, it should start. It should include it. Never mind. Yeah, it gives us some better numbers. Oh my god. Bit better. So then we go back to product info, and it's 50 out of 204. But it doesn't like that. Why don't you like that? What's the difference here? It's calling this one. So what we're saying, 50 out of 204, 52, 58, 66, 71, 79, and last but not least, 90. Next one. Oh, I need a add hops here, and hops will now be 3. With also given give them here, so we need to. We'll do allotment next. So allotment gives 40 to 50. Let's do allotment. Oh, it's gonna take a while. Oh no, it's not too bad. So 40 to 50 is an average of 45, and you start off with how much do you start off with? Again, 3? Seems not much. When equipped, the magic secateurs increase the crop yield of herbs, allotments, grapevines, and hops. Herbs, allotments, and hops. But not bushes? Why not bushes? Ah, damn it. Not bushes. But yet bushes have an average of 15 to 20. So why it just won't include the magic secateurs bonus? But what about the cape? Does that work on everything? The farming cape. Herb patches with a 5% increase. Only herb patches? Shit. So I've done all this math wrong because means we have to do this again. Alright, let's do this again. So some patches have better chances. Just base. Where are we? Product info. So what ones did we just edit? So even bushes was wrong. So we gotta redo fucking bushes. So it's an average of 17.5, and the magic secateurs don't do anything on it. So that means we don't even want the farming spot, we want the farming patch. That does it for herbs. And then this is so that's for herbs, allotments, hops. Then we would do that. And the diary bonus. We'll do that later. Okay, then oh, this has been a pain. But once it's done, so. These are our new rates for berries. So this is all 198. If I just copy this to a text file. Second screen, easier, boom. 56, 75, 97, 116, 134, 152. Ooh. Then surely we can. What's the other one we did? We did hops, but we did hops with 0.05 too much. So let's redo that. So hops have 30 to 40, so 35, and then the times is they have magic secateurs, so they're 0.9. It's a 10% increase. Start lives is 6. Easy enough. This is 3, 4, 8, 13, 16, 21, 28. And we go run that. Which gives us these numbers. Oops. Scroll on over. It's pretty close. It's only 2 of 6. But that's an extra, like, 10%, right? So... Cool. 1%, extra 1%. Not 10%. Jesus. Alright, next one. Well, last one actually. We just need to do allotment. So allotment, you start off with 6. It has a 0.9, and the average... Did I put 34 instead of 35? Bruh. Everything's got a +1 now. Alright, average. Let's get this over and done with so I can just move on. Average of 45 times the 0.9. So potato, onion, cabbage, tomato, sweet corn. Level 1, 5, 7, 12, 20, 31, 47, and 61. Let's just go print them all out. These are our numbers. Just scroll over. So everything's out of 218, so 61, 218. We just copy this, then we can go 68, 71, 79, 92, 109, 135, 157. Oh, we're done. Well, until we get seaweed. We're done. I am glad that is over. So if we look at the bushes, it will return 4, and then it will it'll call the safe plant harvest for each of the bushes. So where are they? Here. And then it will do the roll for whether it saves or not. Am I glad that is over? Bush variable crop yield is number 489. Completed. Is there any other farming? Mushroom patch, compost. Leprechaun fixing tool storage. Do 2 storage. Could be nice. Who would like the tool storage? Let's just commit our changes. We need herbs to just be set at 3 as well. Right. Variable crop yield. Herbs? You get the random harvest, and then the save plant harvest is herbs, yeah. Ooh. Bushes through trees. Farming. Variable crop yield. Fix them for fruit random yield. What else have we done? Sure, that's it. Ooh. Right, who else has a suggestion? We have about maybe another 40 minutes or so. Bandit, Rigordi, how are you? Did you check GitHub? Have I checked GitHub? 1 second. GitHub. You published a branch? Oh, I don't see when you publish branches. But I can take a look. Compost bins. Wait, have you? Can you send me a picture of it? Have you done like the closed, the open, and the other one? Let me check. Because it has like one where it's open, closed, and it has different levels of like full. So I'm sure you've done it well. I just want to make sure we got all the situations covered, you know? And there's I saw a funny way that RSPS did it. They put the farming code, or the composting code in with the farming code. It was like really weird, like with all the hops and stuff. So they just put it like, where's the tick? They put it in here. So they put the process spot. It was funny. So when you closed it, it set the stage time to however long, and then it like it increased the stage, and if it was the max stage, it was so weird, but they put it in here. So they put like compost. Where weeds, crops, herbs, fruits, and other farming produce can be placed to make compost, super compost, and ultra compost, or rotten tomatoes. So they need to fill it with 15 items, or 30 if filling the big compost bin in the farming hill, where they can then close to start the rotting process. Got how to check? Check what? Have no fear, Froggy is here. Hello, Froggy. How are you? Hey, Dad. so how do we send a Discord link? Ah, so those are the ones you've done. Okay, one sec. GitHub and Blockbench. So, I see you've made full, empty, full, or half full. What I was thinking is when someone did make it. One sec. I'll send you a compost. Rigori doesn't it show up? No, it's haven't fetched. How are you, Froggy, though? Tell us how you are. Yeah, so what you've done is essentially what I was thinking, except you've made... Okay, so... Rigordi. Day 2 of cold showers. Yeah, I'll explain it to you. There. I'm gonna work on learning how to undo the files I pushed. Cool. Yeah, I'm just giving Rigordi a lesson on some modeling tricks you can do. But they look very good, Rigordi. But yeah, that's just my idea of how you can, like, it's, if you can make it all into one model. Which is pretty insane. Same textures as the hotspots use. There should be a clear. It looks very good though, Rigordi. Definitely. Gonna be good. Put those down. But yes, so RSP has put the compost in as like a farming patch type. And then I don't know how you'd store the data on it though. I guess you could just, yeah, you could put it as a farming spot. So you go into farming patch here, and you'd put the composts into here. It's so weird, but I'll... Anything you want us to work on, Froggy, Zombie Chance, Rigordi? Rigordi's working on the compost bin, so I'll add those after he's done. Yeah, compost, yeah, it'll be good. Until then, we can work on something else. I was thinking the tool leprechaun. Add beer to tutorial. God damn it, Rigordi. So, all tool leprechauns can carry various farming tools for you, and you can retrieve them from any tool leprechaun. I want to have a drinking game Oslo model. You drunk as hell. Oh yeah, what's the max hit on chickens? Probably don't have a max hit. Probably just determined by their combat stats. Right? Or maybe it's 1. Chicken. Max hit doesn't have a max hit. It's meant to be 0. Is that all chickens? Really? They don't hit you? I'm pretty sure they can hit. The wiki can be wrong, remember. The wiki can be wrong. The wiki's done by the community. There's no way a chicken. It splashes. Let's have a look. Do the chickens in MineScape splash? Wait, wasn't that only for magic? Because the magic uses a different formula. It on Discord. Yeah, I've got that open. They are often killed by low minutes training opponents as they have a low defense and cannot kill a player. Interesting. Saying that even with these stats, it might not be able to. Cannot deal damage to players. Yeah, it's interesting. We'll just leave it for now. We'll figure something out. Tool stores. Alright, so for tool stores... Chickens are too drunk to hit, yeah. Maybe fermenting their feed into beer. True, or their hops, or whatever you feed them. Alright, so we need a tool store. We might need to revisit the tutorial at some point because you're on Jonathan base, they cannot kill the rats. I thought I fixed that. I fixed that in live. I think I already fixed the rats, yeah. I'm pretty sure that's live. $100 pairs of secators or magic secators. What the fuck? Wait, you can store 100 pairs of secators or magic secators. Does anyone have the interface? How it shows up? Okay, cool. Like someone here, I don't live on Tutorial Island. Is it live or awaiting next update? It should be. It should be live. 100 pairs of sectors of magic. So as 1 out of 100. Any type of watering can, gardening trowel, plant. So what happens if you put in magic ones? Do this a special way. Bottomless compost bucket. What the fuck is that? The bottomless bucket can be filled with up to 10,000 uses. Okay. We'll see. Get a display. $1,000 markers. We'll comment out this one for now, since we don't have it. Empty bucket. Bucket. Compost. Super compost. That's one word. And ultra. Cool. So then all we do is we have a private map. Tool store type integer. have a private static. What is it? So we just have a constructor. No. So when you want to get a so get stored of a tool store type. So if type.get type that is equal to null, doesn't equal to null. And we return, so if we return null by default, then we return do a take stored. So if amount is less than or equal to 0. How to make two of the same textures? I think you have to save the file, open up the file, and then like right at the top, just like duplicate down the textures from like 1 to 2. If that makes any sense. And it should. Actually, I haven't tried that. Let's go try. No, it's still just. Can you not do that? That's what I would think would like actually work, but I guess not. What's been closed? Just like name it something else for now and then edit the file before you commit it, I guess. So just choose a different log, for example, for now, and then later on, before you commit it, just Zygino, I'll save your file. How are you? We're doing some tool stores at the moment. Tired, got lots to do. What have you got to do? Adult shit. What does that mean, huh? Huh? What type of adult shit? Kidding. I mean, shit I don't want to do. Poor Nerdgino. So we just want secateurs and watering can. Alright. So then for secateurs, we'll have a private list item stack. Stored secateurs. I need to sneeze. Oh, jeez. Ah. Alright. A new array list. Cool, and then we just want a private item stack, stored watering can. So if you add a watering can in, it'll take it and then go null. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do now is when we're adding stuff in, so for example the watering can, we want to go farming items watering can 1. All the different types of watering can. Jesus. Alright. Ooh. Hug Ziggy. All the shit that he doesn't want to do. Company, that's just secateurs because we don't have the magic ones anyway, so that's fine. Watering cans in, secateurs in. And then we can go public, store, add stored. So if items equal to null, return store attempt. By default, we just want to return store attempt. Then So for each tool store type, int current amount. If current amount is greater than or equal to the tool store type.get max, return store attempt. Else, we current amount plus plus. No, we just tool store map put current amount plus 1, turn null. And then otherwise, how do we do? So tool store type dot secateurs dot get accepted dot for secateurs. If secateurs is equal to items, then we want to add the store attempt and return null. And then we pretty much want to do the same for the watering can. Watering can. So if the watering can is the same as the items, then watering can is stored. Watering can is equal to store attempt return. We don't want to have, so we don't want to go over the max. And then same for the watering can. If stored watering can is equal to null, then we do something. Boom. Ah. So then all we have to do is open the interface and we're done. Tool store inventory extends open adaptable list items of tool store. Fucked up. It's gonna be that. So we want to get the display. So public item stack get display for a store type. So don't really want that. We want like a 2. It's kind of a bit different. It's pretty much this. But this can be in items. No, an item stack. And the amount is 1. The amount should be how many they have. Instead of returning null, we'll return tool store type, get type dot 2 item stack and 0. Then this one can just be what should we put the default item to be? We'll just add like be something that doesn't really make sense. We'll add weeds. Sectors 0. Mouse 1. What's wrong with that? We should get the one that's gonna take. We need to get into the habit of doing this dot. More than jeez. Alright. Last thing and then I'll be off. I have to go. Watering can, else we Alright, so does that look right? So if it has a type, we get the amount. If it's 0, we return that type, else we return the type with the amount. Just straight up return it, doesn't really matter, it's always going to be 0. For secateurs, you're going to have the stored amount. If the size is 0, we return just secateurs of 0, else we get the stored item and we return that. If it has a watering can, or if it doesn't have a watering can, or return a watering can of 0, else the watering can with 1. And then by default it will return weeds in case we ever add anything to this. Cool, so then for the inventory, we just need to go item stack display is equal to tool store dot get display tool store type, and then we need to clone it. Clone. Oh, it's actually a variable. And then item stack edit is equal to display.get first.clone, and then return edit. So we should return add, edit, and then check color dot green plus x. So the display dot get the amount, instead of x, it's divide out of the toolstore type dot get max. So it'll say like 1 out of 100 or something if you have something there. And then check color yellow, tool store. Does each you retrieve them from any level? Okay, cool. And then when you click on super.pass. No, there we go. Else event.set cancel true. And then we do add to storage. Cool. So when you click on a tool store type, it'll if so we want a private at registry load private static items holder and if item holder get free slots here as I said equal to 0 return general message dot inventory full dot send pl else item stack give it's equal to the tool store dot take stored for this tool store type if give doesn't equal null items holder dot give or drop pl give else item stack clicked is equal to event dot get current item. What's this one? Yep. If and then you go items if items equal to null return otherwise item stack toolstore dot add store items clicked if store and then you event dot set current item to the stored. Boom. Tool Leprechaun. Do we even use this? Do the guys currently speak to you? Or not? I'm guessing not. Is a compass? It'll be a armor stand. Tool store inventory. Boom. Let's try it, eh? Same construction? Yep. Pretty much. Except, yeah, you just center it on the whole armor stand and it'll be good. God, if this works. Alright. How do we do a... There's only a few of you here. I want to see... How do you do a, How do you do a... Oh, what is it? Like a gamble. How do you gamble? Or whatever it's called. What's it called? Ah, never mind. I give up. I'll figure out off stream. Alright, it compiled nicely, so we should be able to... I got like 5 minutes left here, boys. Before I have a class. What, do you think it works, Rigordi? Who thinks it works first go? Nerdgino? Sky? Froggy? Who thinks it works first go? Or do you think it won't work first go? Whichever one. Working? Do you think it'll work? You have too much faith in me, but hey, I hope I did it right. I just thought of something. I didn't refresh the inventory after you. Alright. Do I even have the tool leprechaun? No. I'm just gonna make it a player. I spelled it wrong, but don't worry. It's only on my local host. I think it's under multi. Hello? You gonna open? Oh. Open them cheeks. Yeah, he's not. Not doing anything. So he'll note the stuff, but he won't talk to me. Put a quick debug in. It's not. Why isn't he talking to me? Talk to me. Boy, if you don't stop talking, I'ma start slapping. What's the recap? We did the farming variable crop yield thingy majiggy. So the higher your farming level, the more crops you will get. We struggled with that for ages again, just like yesterday. So, but also. Yeah. We also just did the tool store. Not bad for 6 hours. Getting not 6 hours, only 2 hours. And if I'd been streaming for 6 hours, I would have been up. I did wake up like 6 hours ago. There you go. Okay, so it opens. Okay. It automatically closes, but we can fix that. I already have magic sectors, they just don't do anything. Doesn't increase. It kinda worked. Gave me back my watering can 8. Alright, I gotta get ready to go though. Ready to go offline. Boys, I'm sorry. Get ready for my online class. Come on. I need to make it faster on the load. Again. Alright, so if we say yes please. So it still just says a maximum of 1 for secateurs. Ah, it's because we told it to say a maximum of 1. Duh. Alright, fix that one, cool. So we put the watering can in, we can take it out. Boom. Look at that. We can't take out ones we don't have. How is that looking, guys? Alright, now we need to try add another watering can. No, it doesn't let us. Take that one out, put that one in. Watering can 5, 8, 8, 5, 8, 8. Ooh. Alright, let's clear our inventory. Rake. Is it not displaying the rakes we have? Alright, that's fine. Well, I think it actually works. See if we can hit the max. we hit the max. Safe to say it works. Alright. I have to go to my online class. But thank you everyone for stopping by. Thank you Rigordi for the model. Froggy, Secret, Zagino, Chance, Zombie, all for stopping by today. We got what we wanted done. And that is good. Tool store and farming variables. 2 hours. Not bad, not bad. Alright. I'll send the farm once I'm done. It's super tedious. Yeah. I can sort it out. But it does look good. So that's the most important thing. Even if it takes a while. Like 2 hours I spent like an hour and a half today just on farming variable blah blah blah. Annoying me, but till tomorrow. Peace.